So now we're going to create this web page right here. And I really like this page. And the things that we would say about this page, the way we would describe it is we would say it's responsive. And so it responds to different size viewports. Responsive. We would say it's a full page background image. And so full page, often people will say that and they won't, have it be, I can't grab that corner apparently. They won't, there we go. They won't have it be above the fold. So this is a full page background image and it's using the above the fold design, meaning, right, we have content which is always showing up above the fold no matter what size the viewport window is. That content is always taking up the full size, right? So we're going to build it in that way. And then we're using certain fonts here. So we're going to do this in steps. So I'm going to give you what you should do in a step, and then I'm going to encourage you to do it. So you should go out and you should do that coding on your own. And then I'll provide another video which shows you how I built out that step. So I've given you some starting files, and those starting files are in 03900 starting files. And there's a folder with images, and then there's also index.html. And index.html lists the fonts that we're going to use from Google Fonts. And the last thing I want to say about that is right here. And we have Layout Essentials. So if you click that link, it brings you to Layout Essentials. And so this is this file I put together that kind of lists the different layout things: float, position, media queries. We haven't gone over Meta Viewport yet. We will do that, I think, in the next section. Display, Flexbox. These different things we've learned about layout. I encourage you to use Layout Essentials just to kind of like refresh in your mind how to accomplish certain things. All right, so that's what we're headed towards. In the next video, I'm going to introduce the first step, which is creating the HTML structure.